What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you saw that short, it led you to this video. Yes, something weird is going on to the 2024 models. It is a gasoline particulate filter. 2024 model and up, starting with the Nautilus. Now, I got this information from Cody. It's actually in new model training, but I couldn't get into it this morning. So he sent me some pictures. Thank you, Cody. And from the pictures, it shows turbocharged engine, and I'll show you the pictures. I'll put them on the screen for you. So I asked Cody, is it on all engines or just turbocharged? And it does not specify in the workshop manual. So I am going to go through here, and I'll put the pictures on the screen for you. But the way this thing is set up, it's so you have, let's start with go back here. It's called a exhaust emission control gasoline particulate filter sensor. Inputs the PCM and measures the pressure before and after the particulate filter. Both sensors are differential type sensors. Dual hose particulate filter pressure sensor is a delta pressure sensor and differences pressure both before and after the filter. So it's basically just a sensor, and then it has two hoses, one before, or one that's basically in the filter, and then one that comes out. And then I'll put that picture up here on the screen. And then the way it's set up, you have your engine, your turbocharger assembly. This is what it's showing on this map. This is why I asked, was it only on the turbocharged or was it all engines? I think it may just be turbocharged. Then you have your upstream upstream O2 sensor, which is before the catalyst, the catalytic converter. Then you have the catalytic converter. Then you have your downstream O2 sensor. Then you have your flex pipe. Then you have a pressure sensor. Then you have the gasoline particulate filter. And then you have an exhaust gas temperature sensor. And then you have the resonator. And to me, this is just all about more control. Let's see what it says here. The exhaust emissions control system features a catalytic converter, gasoline particulate filter, and exhaust pressure sensor. The catalytic converter plays a major role in the emissions control system by operating as a gas reactor. This function is to speed the heat-producing chemical reaction of components in the exhaust gases to reduce air pollutants. I mean, come on. Just another part to add on for the EPA, just another expensive part. So gasoline vehicles are now going to have to go through a regen process just like the diesel ones do. It's going to accumulate inside that gasoline particulate filter, and at some point you're going to have to stop. You're going to have to regen so it can burn out that filter. Is there a fluid that goes with it? I have no idea. This is all the information that I have on it right now. And Cody and I are looking into this. If you haven't checked out Cody's channel, please do. I'll leave that in the description as well. But I don't even know if this is a thing overseas right now. So all my overseas people, please comment and let me know if this is a thing on your vehicle right now and they're just now bringing it over to the States. Because I know you guys got DPFs and stuff over there. But that'd be interesting to know. Please let me know in the comments. Shoot me an email. Do you guys already have this overseas and we're just now starting to see it here? So is it something new? It would be new for us. Or is this something new in general, like broad? I don't, like I said, it's the Nautilus. Supposedly is what it's starting out with, is what it says in the training module, new model training. So, but we're thinking all of them are going to get it. The question is it just turbocharged or is it non-turbocharged getting it as well? That is something that we're going to look into some more. But I don't know if this is a push for more electric vehicles. I mean, there's already enough emissions stuff on these vehicles, and when they fail, they're very expensive. DPFs aren't cheap for diesels, man. They're like $6,000. I can only imagine what one of these is going to cost for a gasoline engine. So let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think is going on. I personally don't like it, but it is what it is, and we will get through this just like we get through anything else. As always, I love all you guys. Thank you so much. Big shout out to Cody for texting me first thing this morning to let me know about that. And I will see you guys on the next one.